Everything needed for Josh's creation is scrap or leftover material, so this certainly qualifies it as a trash-to-treasure project.
Well, me and my dad, we made this punching bag, and I was thinking maybe we could recreate this, show everybody how to do it. First, what we're going to do is we're going to cut out a foot of this plywood.
Okay,
right here.
Right?
Yep.
This is just to form a base so the foam doesn't fall off, right?
Yep. Now we're going to roll it up in our carpet padding.
All right, so we've got to cut that, slice that to size first, right? Tape it, that's just to get it started, I guess. All right. Now we just roll it up.
Now you just keep rolling.
Whoa, look at that. Worked out perfectly. There's nothing you can't build with a little duct tape, right?
Yep.
All right. So, now what?
We're going to wrap the entire thing with duct tape.
Is that all right? You need to cover that up, or is that all right?
That's good.
Is that all right? All right, Josh. That's pretty cool.
So all you really need is
all right.
PVC, carpet padding, and duct tape, and you got yourself a heavy bag.
Good job.